Welcome to Factoring by Magic Squares Part 4. We're going to do another example of factoring a trinomial where there's something in front of the leading coefficient, something in front of the variable squared. So again, we do the same process as always. We just look at the coefficients and write them down. So 4, negative 35. Now, the reason why this one is trickier than the one I did in part 3 is there's going to be a lot more options, a lot more different things that we could have here, because multiplying to 4, I could have 4 and 1 or 2 and 2. Multiplying to 35, I've got a whole host of options, 1 and 35, 5 and 7, 7 and 5. So there's a lot of different combos I can do here. So you just kind of have to get started. Don't forget that trial and error is totally fine. And as you do more of these, you're going to start to recognize patterns, and you're going to get a lot faster at making good predictions or good guesses of what might work. I'm just going to start with 2 and 2. And I notice that this is negative. So what I'm looking for is 1 positive, 1 negative, meaning their difference is going to be 4. So if I'm using 2 and 2, I'm looking for two numbers that are kind of close together. Let's just try 5 and 7 and see where that goes. Okay. So this would give me negative 10. This would give me 14. I got it first try. That's awesome. If you didn't, you could just keep trying other things. Like maybe 4 and 1 might be the thing that worked. You just keep trying until you find one that works. So again, I'll show you why this works. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 5 is 35. 2 times 5 is negative 10. So from 2 times 5, I get negative 10. 7 times 2 is positive 14. Add that together, that's 4, our mystical middle number. So now I can translate this back into my factors here. And I just read across the rows. So this is going to be 2a plus 7, 2a minus 5. And that's all there is to it.